Hi friends, this is Bilal Heather and this is the part 4 of how to make a game. And in this video I'll be going to create some silly objects, and I'll be talking about lights and will be changing some properties of lights, so you will know how to change properties of some objects. Okay, so let's go ahead and select all these. By the way, you can select multiple items by holding control on your keyboard and clicking on the objects. So this way you can and also if you want to deselect some object, you can press and hold control and just click objects. So in this way you can select um, multiple objects. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete all these objects from our scene window. Select all of them and hit delete button on your keyboard. Okay, so by doing this you have deleted all your objects. Let's go ahead and create a new object, plane, um, and here we have a ground. Okay, on which we can lie our objects. Okay, so here we have a one plane, and here as this plane is selected, so it is showing all the properties. This inspector is showing all the properties of this plane. So let's um, move our plane to origin, and now let's go ahead and add some objects onto this. Let's go ahead and create a cube. Let's drag it over and move it aside, and let's go ahead and create another object, sphere. Move it up. You can always control V to undo, and control Y to redo. Okay, so let's place some objects in our scene window. And later after adding um, these objects onto our scene, will be adding lights. Okay, so let's put it here and then it, and let me also show some shortcuts, like you can press and hold your alt key, and and at the same time you click and drag your left mouse button, and you can rotate the whole scene. Okay, and also you press and hold your um, your alt button on your keyboard, and right click and drag your mouse to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and also you can use your scroll button on your mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and click that scroll button and you can pan. Okay, so let's go ahead and click add lights in our scene. So how you can add lights to your scene? You can go ahead, game object, create other, and you have 4 different types of lights. Okay, so the first light in here is the directional light. So the directional light is pretty much representing the sun. Okay, so and the next light in here is the point light. Okay, the point light represents the bulb. Okay, so and the spotlight is another type of light in here, and area light. So let's go ahead and add point light in our scene. Okay, so when you will add a light into your scene, you can select that very light from your hierarchy window in here. So you can select that light and drag it up, and here you will see now we are adding lights in our scene. Okay, you can move around this light, and also when you will select this light in here, this inspector will show some of its properties. Okay, you can obviously change the range of the light, like here it's reading 10. Let's increase, it will increase the range of the light. Okay, and also you can change the color of light. When you click at hit and here, you will a dialog box will pop up with colors, and you can choose any color you want to. Okay, let's choose this color. Sorry, you can also increase and decrease the intensity of your light, like that. Okay, you can also add shadows and lots of other things in here. You can play around them, you can play with all these things, and you can also change this light type in here. Okay, you can change it like that. Let's make it point. So now now you know how to add lights to your scene. Okay, you can pan around, and you can see your you can look into your scene. So this is the scene you have created so far. Okay, when we will click the play button, we are seeing something like this. Okay, we click a space button or any arrow button, nothing happens, because we haven't added some scripts into this game yet, so it's not responsive, and also it's showing us in this way, okay. So if we wanted to change the view in here, in the next video I'll be talking about the cameras, and how the main camera in here, I'll be changing the camera inside here. So we'll see how this camera works in our games. Okay, so let's go ahead, and for now you go ahead and change these properties in here, change its position inside here, or drag it over here, and all these things. Okay, so I think you have learned something, and so see you next in the next part. Thank you for watching.